So let's just say Arenacross is a crazy spectacle, and I absolutely love it. Right there, full on just WWE background in the pits, full on brawl. And I don't know what happened. So apparently this comes from round 13 of the AMA Arenacross in Little Rock, Arkansas, between Jackson Brassfield and Luke Dickey. Absolutely incredible names. Jackson Brassfield, that's awesome. But as far as I'm reading, there is, quote unquote, while the details of the incident are not clear, it is uncommon for athletes in high pressure situations to become emotional and confrontational. Well, obviously, if you're going to go out and have a brawl in the back, like, you're not happy about something. So if somebody knows, if somebody watched it, somebody was there, I think this came from um, the B main. Maybe I'm wrong about that. Comment down below. Tell me what happened, because to get something like this, I mean, this isn't like a little, supercross pushing fest. This is like full on, going for kidney shots and slamming heads into the sides of tractors and stuff. Like, so if somebody knows, comment down below. Tell me what happened, because I'm interested. This is one of those things that, like, if this happened in Supercross, it would be their promotional thing for like hours. You'd see it all over the race and for the next couple days. But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me, somebody who was there, somebody who saw it, somebody who knows what's going on. Comment down below. So let me know what it was. And as you go down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do. Playing with the algorithm, it really helps me, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.